Hi guys, and welcome back to my vlog. I know it's been a while since I have uploaded, but this time around I am bringing you a video where me and my friend go and take cake decorating lessons. Now I have been wanting to take one of these classes for a really long time, and we finally got around to it, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. And make sure to leave a comment down below if there's anything that you would like to see in the future videos, or if there was anything that you liked from this video. So today I'm going to be doing a cake decorating class with my friend Demi. So we just had some brunch and we're gonna go meet the cake decorating lady at the station, and yeah, let's go. So my friend was actually the one who booked our appointments with this lady. We went to her house where she had everything prepared and set up for our decorating class. She had already pre-made the cakes and pre-iced them. So today we are just going to be decorating the cake.
This cake, and this one is gonna be the main one. Decided already?
I think I want to do like pinkish, like kind of like this.
Coral.
Yeah, coral, pink, yellowy, or orangey.
Oh, or there's so many colors, right?
Oh, like I just saw a picture on your Instagram. It was so pretty.
Yellow, red, or pink 사용해서 자유롭게. On the wall.
So after we choose our colors and the flowers we want to make, we are going to start mixing the colors into our icing. We are actually using a vegan soy icing, which was actually pretty good. And she is explaining now that when you add the colors, you want to just add a little bit at a time and put it on the wall of the bowl so that you don't overmix the colors. She's saying that once you put it into the piping bag, it should mix more. So while you're mixing it in the bowl, don't completely mix it so that the colors become more vibrant as you put them into the piping bag.
입을 하나하나 하려면 네. 그래서 네, 이제 시작하죠.
앞에 되게 없는데.
왜냐면
was really great about our experience was that the instructor was so helpful, so nice. If she ever saw us struggling, she would come over right away and help guide our hands so that we could really get a hang of it. I'm just really bad at it, so I needed a lot of her help. I kept making my pedals super weird. I don't even know how to explain it. Very curved. But in the end run, they weren't too shabby.
You put green or brown in?
Oh yeah, a little bit.
No, it looks really good.
Is it better?
This is perfect. This is like the exact colors I wanted.
Wow.
Bent it. She bent it.
Yeah.
Bent it to look like this.
So it's thinner. It's gonna be thinner. The pedals. And for you, it's gonna be harder.
Great.
And it will be a little bit like an orange.
Is this big enough?
이거 우리 베이스로 쓸게. We're gonna use this as a base with brush here. Once you hack it, anytime you go Paris, forget and get the very simple.
So one thing you'll notice is I kind of have a little bit of trouble getting the flowers to stick on the cake and to get them off my little scissor pedal thingy. I don't really know what to call those scissors, but you use them to put the flowers on. But I was scared to squish the flower, but as you can see, the instructor just kind of went right in there and pushed it down with her hands. And even though you think that the flower is getting smushed, you're covering them with other flowers anyways. And it actually ended up looking still pretty amazing. So I guess if you're going to decorate your cake, just go on in and just, push them in.
Okay, Maybe I will put something here. What do you think? You have to see from board up. Okay.
So you'll see as we are putting the white petals on our flowers, we are actually cutting the bottom parts off and making them super pointy. I'm not quite sure why she did this. I kind of like them when they weren't as pointy, but we did it anyways and it still looked amazing. She's about to come over and tell me to cut them a little bit shorter. You'll see the end result in just a second. And with that, our decorating class was finished. This was my first time ever trying something like this, and to be quite honest, I was extremely pleased with how it turned out. I can be quite a perfectionist, so I'm going to need to keep practicing so that these look as good as I want them to one day. But thanks again for watching my vlog, you guys. I hope you guys come back soon and can see my next vlog, which will hopefully be up next week. See you guys soon.